back to my channel. Well, today we are going to finish out, or wrap up the bedroom refresh. And so if you are new here, we are all working together to declutter and organize our homes, especially those areas that don't bring us joy anymore. And my bedroom was one of them. Sorry, Pandora's in here, and she has decided that she likes it in here, and she thinks she'd like to try sleeping with her mama. So we may try that tonight. So Lord help me. So this refresh, I didn't really go into this thinking of a budget. I did this very budget friendly though. I did get a fall winter comforter from Amazon, and that was only I think it was $43. I got that for $43. The picture I had bought for the house in general, it wasn't necessarily bought for this room. And so I didn't count the price of that. I did buy a holder for my Amazon Echo. My Echo Dot. And it was, I think, $20. And it's farmhouse and it's cute. And it just adds a little feminine touch to the room. Okay, she's going to lay down. Okay, she's going to lay on her blanket now and look at me. So
if I make it back home, no. If I make it back home, no. If I make it back home, no. If I make it back home, no.
I don't know what I'm going to put in the rest of the drawers, but I have that done, and then I have this happening. And the comedy hour that you all missed was me getting this chair. And it wasn't so much that little stand for next to the chair, it was the chair itself, getting it in here. It was a comedy hour. So I'm sorry you missed that. So, all right, I'll be back. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? You messed up my bed. All right, so here's the chair and the side table, and I think I have my settings fixed. I think I would like to get a small rug for in here. Haven't decided yet. Here's my end table on this side. And this is a little holder for my Echo Dot. I just think it is so cute. And then the picture, I took the other two pictures down. I moved the mirror. I'm going to turn around here in a second and I'll show you. I moved the mirror over there. Now, will it stay there? I don't know. I'm trying it out. So, and then you know what this side of the room looks like. There's my shelf that we moved last time, my dresser, and then I have this table in my dining room, and that light and that little truck, and I moved them in here. And then when I work in the other room, I'm going to take care of these things. Those are storage holders that have found their way into my bedroom.